Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and for today's DIY, we're going to make these Victorian vintage eggs using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's project. For this project, I'm taking a package of the Dollar Tree Easter eggs. These are larger size ones. They come 3 in a pack. And I'm going to use the Folk Art chalk paint in a cashmere color. I'm going to give the plastic eggs 2 coats of the paint. I'm going to let each coat dry in between before I apply the next one. So let's start to paint these eggs. So now that the eggs are painted and dried, I'm going to take this package of stickers. They're also from the Dollar Tree. This was the first time that I saw them. I think they're absolutely beautiful. They have a vintage look to them, and I'm going to hot glue them onto the eggs. Now, I did remove the sticky part from the stickers because these are puffy stickers and then they lift a little bit when you hot glue them. So I removed the little sticker part, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue them to the center of each egg. Let's continue. So now I'm going to use this mold. I got this mold at Michael's. It's in the cake decorating section. And I'm going to make the molds using hot glue. I usually use clay, but I wanted to be quick with this project, and hot glue works fantastic to create molds. So I'm going to fill the cavity with hot glue. I'm going to let it dry, and this is going to be the edging of the eggs. Let's continue. So now that I've finished molding all the pieces I need for the edges of the eggs, I'm going to attach them with hot glue. You're going to need 2 pieces for each egg because one is not long enough to go around the whole perimeter of the egg. So let's continue with gluing this. So now that I did the edging, I did the same thing with hot glue using a different mold to make little decoration pieces. And again, just with what I did with the edges, I'm going to use hot glue to attach these little decorative pieces to the top and bottom of each of the eggs. So now that the edging and the decorative pieces are attached, I'm going to use this Folk Art Sugar Metallic paint in a teal abyss color to paint the edging and the decorative pieces. I'll put the link to this paint in the description box below the video. Now I'm going to do a quick paint job here because once this is dry, I'm going to paint it over with a gold paint. The reason I do this is for the gold to not be so bright and to be more muted and look more vintagey. So let's finish. So now that the sugar metallic paint has dried, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take gold paint. It is ceramic coat paint by Delta. I will also put the link for this paint in the description box. And now I'm going to paint over that first coating that I did in order for this gold color to be muted. Let's continue. Now that this is done, and I love the way that the gold turned out, I'm going to take another different Folk Art Sugar metallic paint in an ever gold color, and this I'm going to use to paint the eggs with. This way it will give it some texture and it will make the eggs look vintage. Once this step is done, we will be completely done with this project. So let's finish. Now this project is done and I absolutely love the way that they turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.